Ever wonder how an aquaponic system sustains itself? There are three major players in an aquaponic system: fish, microbes, and plants. Like workers in an assembly line, each member plays an important role before passing the responsibility to the next member. Let's start with the most active and mobile inhabitant, fish. Freshwater fish breeds such as tilapia, pacu, and catfish are the most popular in an aquaponic system. Fish require clean, oxygen-rich water, as they can be quite susceptible and sensitive to poor water quality. Fish use gills to take oxygen into their bodies and to excrete ammonia out. Ammonia is a colorless, odorless gas that is toxic to marine life and increases water pH. Fish constantly excrete ammonia, but most ammonia comes from their feces. Water carries the free-floating ammonia and feces from the fish to biofilters, where the microbes live and the magic happens. As toxic as it is, ammonia is an essential ingredient for ammonia oxidizers, a specific type of microbe. Microbes are microscopic organisms that cannot be seen with the human eye, but make up a large proportion of the aquaponics biomass. They can be found throughout the entire aquaponics system. Bacteria, archaea, and phytoplankton are some of the microbes that can be found floating in your system's water or growing on surfaces like plant roots and the fish tank. Although small in size, certain microbes like ammonia oxidizing archaea, or AOA, and nitrite oxidizing bacteria, or NOB, are responsible for the nitrification cycle, which is the crux of the aquaponics system. Nitrification is the two-step conversion of ammonia to nitrate that releases energy to the microbes in the process. When ammonia enters the filter, the AOA convert ammonia into nitrite. Then, the NOB convert nitrite into nitrate, which is harmless to fish and essential to plant growth. Not only does nitrification remove toxic compounds from the water, it also lowers water pH, which is a sign of a healthy system. Without microbes to break down ammonia in the water, ammonia would poison the fish. Recently, scientists working on the Healthy Drinking Water project discovered a superbacterium called AquaPOWER. This single bacterium is capable of converting ammonia to nitrate all by itself, and will have a significant impact on our understanding of the nitrification cycle. The third component of an aquaponic system is plants. Plants rely heavily on both fish and microbes to survive. Unlike plants grown in the ground, aquaponics plants don't require soil to grow. However, most things raised in a traditional garden, such as lettuce, Swiss chard, and basil, can also be grown in an aquaponics system. Plants are a very special component of the system because they are exposed to both water and air. Plant roots absorb nitrate produced from nitrification and other nutrients to grow. Plants also need access to sunlight to perform photosynthesis, a process by which plants use sunlight to create food and plant matter from carbon dioxide and water. The water is then transported to the fish and the cycle continues. Every organism in an aquaponic system depends on the others to survive, whether fish, microbe, or plant. It's up to us to pair suitable inhabitants while keeping their water healthy. Together, They create an ecosystem that, if managed well, can produce great tasting food and help the environment.